neighborhood stripper and welcome to my channel. What you're watching is me creating a stage for my pole because heels and carpet do not work for me. I don't feel like breaking an ankle practicing and I need all my body parts to work. Let's start with the materials. You'll need a click lock wood panels, oriented strand board, a hammer, and universal tackle block. Get all of these at your local hardware store. Measure the perimeter in the area of your choice, and in this case, I used the board's measurements to save money. Take your measurements to a local hardware store. I, on the other hand, got my wood panels from a family member, but I did buy my oriented strand board from a local hardware store. First, place the oriented strand board on top of the carpet. Then I placed the panels on the board, clip locking them together and using the block to secure. To ensure the panels didn't slip, I taped a string light around the perimeter. That's it. That's how you do it. Now listen to my son's music that he made for me. Go check out my directory where you will find professionals, organizations, events, and businesses manifested by active and retired dancers.